What's up guys, Knife Fanatic here, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing from Vosteed. And this is the Vosteed Valkyrie with the green Micarta handle with the black stonewash Nitro-V blade in sheep's foot. So yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. I'm going to be using the Benchmade bug out. Looks like the tin kind of got smashed during shipping. Got your little manual here, nice little patch, some stickers it looks like, oh yeah, and your cleaning cloth. Nice little removable patch here, little Velcro patch. And this case looks different than the other case that I got with my Thunderbird. So here's my Thunderbird. Set that to the side here so we can kind of compare them. Oh yeah, pretty oily from factory. Let's go ahead and, before we do that, I'll just kind of check it out first. Really sturdy pocket clip. That's not going anywhere. I like how they let's see if we can completely flush. The pocket clip is inset and so are the screws, so nothing's gonna snag when it slides in your pocket. Again, this is the newer version with Micarta and the Nitro-V blade. The previous ones had 154 cm, and you got a reversible pocket clip there. Oh yeah, that's nice. Thumb stud's nice. Back flipper. Let's check out the front flipper. Oops. I'm not so great at front flipping, but it'll work. I think I have to kind of grab more towards the bottom of it because the back flipper here kind of hits my index finger there if I don't give it enough room, but very minimal button stick, which is nice. I think that's probably due to all the lube that they put on at the factory. Now let's go ahead and compare this to the Thunderbird. So overall length, the Thunderbird is a little bit longer, and so is the cutting edge on the Thunderbird as well. So we have what it looks like a little over 2.5 inches of cutting length on the, I'd say 2 3/4 for the Valkyrie, and just a hair over 3 inches on the Thunderbird. Yeah, this Micarta is very oiled up. Looks like we have a captive pivot screw there. Check the size real quick. So yeah, T8 pivot screw. Looks like T6 for the body and the pocket clip. Yep. Oh yeah. As I smear my oily fingers on the blade here. Yeah, this thing is very, very oily. Nothing wrong with that. It's just I'd rather have that and protect the blade and all the other components inside the knife than it be, you know, completely dry from the factory. Let's look at ergonomics. So So yeah, we have this finger choil here, but it's a little too shallow for my liking, at least. I'm probably, if I were to use this knife, I'd probably have to kind of pull back a little bit because it's just too, I don't know, it's too hard to kind of tell the difference, or like tell when the edge is starting. So I might have to just kind of choke back like right there or something. You can also kind of choke here on this little flipper there. It has jimping. And then you can also choke back here and has jimping here as well. Now let's go ahead and see how much this knife weighs. So about 3.2 ounces compared to the Vosteed. I'm gonna say the Vosteed is a little bit heavier, maybe 3.7, 3.4, 3.2, so there's 0.2 ounces difference. And let's look at some other knives as well. This is the CJRB Pyrite. This is the Kaiser Drop Bear. I really like how this this sounds. Has almost like this zoop sound when you open it, and kind of a muffled ting at the end. My hands are pretty slippery from all this oil, but yeah, this is the Vosteed Valkyrie and Nitro-V, sheep's foot blade, black stonewash, green micarta handles, Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Knife Fanatic out.